DREAME K10, this is a wet and dry mop. You heard me right, wet and dry. So we got some dry right there. That's normal, that's okay, right? But what about if you put some wet there? Wet and dry, it's pretty difficult, right? In fact, let's put some more dry right there just to make it really tough on this vacuum cleaner, because this vacuum cleaner, although it's very lightweight at just 8.38 pounds, it's very powerful at wet and dry. And look at this mop right here. It's a nice wide mop and it goes pretty much to the edge. You got about a 1/4 inch right there, less than a 1/4 inch. It's just solid. I love this super wide roller, and this thing has a huge dirty water tank. This is where it collects all the dirt and debris. All this is going to go in here, and you have a filter, and this is easy to empty out and dump out when you're done. It's a huge capacity. It's about 600 milliliters of capacity to the max level right here, so it's a pretty good amount of dirt, debris, water, all the mess you clean up right here. And then you have your clean water tank back here. This one is huge. This one is the 890 milliliter of capacity. You can just put water here, or you can use the DREAME Tech solution, which is really good, but we just use water because it's easy and it works really well, so why not, right? Anyway, this thing stores back here, super easy, just snaps in place and you're good to go. Before we clean this mess, let me just show you when you're done, what you do is put it right here and it charges it, and it will be able to self-clean. The self-clean is really effective at cleaning this roller. It will use fresh water, clean the roller, and it'll be clean for the next time you use it. Anyway, let's start the operation. Let's clean this. We might actually be able to do this in one sweep. You see how wide this brush is? I think we can do this in one sweep, guys. We can do it in one sweep. Maybe this part right here will miss, but we can do that in one sweep. So let's go ahead and turn on the vac. The way you turn it on is you hit this power button right here. That turns it on. You got a 30-minute runtime. You have your battery indicator right there. You have some different suction mode. So push this right here. That's suction mode. Push again. That's turbo mode. We're gonna stick with turbo mode. Once you get your mode activated, you just lean this right here and it'll start to operate. And it's so powerful. You see, I'm barely holding it, but it already wants to move. It has some good propulsion on the wheels. It just propels itself. All right, so we're probably gonna see if we can get all that to the very edge in one pass. We'll miss this one. So here we go. Here, let's see it operate. Ready? Let's go. Here we go. One pass. Can we do it in one pass? Can we do it in one pass? There we go. And we lift up. What do we get? What do we get? Lift up. Oh, we got everything over there, and we got a little drop of water right there, and we'll clean that, and that's it. We're done. Lift this up, and then now you can see everything is stored in here, the wet and the dry stuff. Ew, right? But there we go. That's how it does it. Mess is gone. Super fast and effective. Then you put it in the base station where it's going to charge itself, and then to start the self-cleaning, you push and hold this button right here, and it starts the self-cleaning. And what it really does is it actually uses the clean water right here, and it will clean the roller, and it will extract the water and dump more of that nasty water in this tank right here. And it does it really good. The self-cleaning takes about 5 minutes, which is very fast. I've seen other wet dry vac that takes like 30 minutes to self-clean. That's just too long because it does make some noise, and 30 minutes of this noise can be a lot. So this is a very lightweight vacuum at 8.38 pounds, 30-minute runtime, self-cleaning mode, keeps the bacteria and the mold out of the brush and keeps the brush clean for next time. Because remember when we used to mop our floor in the old days, we would have to clean the mop after we mopped the floor. Well, this, you don't have to clean this after you're done. You just put it on here and you push the self-cleaning mode and it self-cleans. It's automatic. And you see, it's gonna go through one more pass. After it's gonna clean this roller, it's gonna dump out one more pass, and then just in about 2 or 3 minutes, it will finish. That is the DREAME K10. It's emptying out all that nasty water from the roller, and then it'll tell you to empty out this, and you'll be ready for it next time. The DREAME K10 is a very, very powerful wet dry vac that's actually lightweight, and it does a fantastic job. This thing is awesome right here. Oh yeah.